What's going on, guys? Welcome back to TrainX. In today's video, we're going to be simulating an aircraft carrier using our RC plane.
One. Oh! Beautiful.
Music licensing reimagined.
And the way we're gonna pull it off is by adding the main functions of an aircraft carrier onto this tiny bunker. Starting with the launching mechanism. This is going to simulate the catapult on an aircraft carrier. So how you operate the launching system is that you load it up with this string here, where you just pull it back and this loads up the elastic bands. And then you just push down this pedal that's connected to the trigger, so you just do that. Then you latch it in place. And once it's locked, just make sure this is loose so it could go through the system, and they just pull down on the pedal and it launches.
Bruh. Alright, so now we have the landing system. So we have two wires here, just like on an aircraft carrier.
There, you can see
There's
that.
one over here and one over here. They're really thin, but as you can see when a plane hits it, it stops. So that's what we're gonna try and come in from this side. We're gonna try and land and like hit the wires, and it should stop the plane. You can see this in other videos that have bunker landings. Alright, now we're gonna plug in the plane. I'm gonna be using the red Mustang. David's Mustang broke a wheel like not too long ago, so we can't fly it right now with this mechanism. Alright.
And
As you guys can hear, it's pretty windy today, so it's gonna be kinda hard. Alright, we're connected.
it might help a little bit for landing. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna load this up.
Alright, locked and loaded.
Now we just launch this thing. Again, of course, against the wind. Best chance of survival. Now, let's rip it. Okay, so here's gonna be our first attempt with this thing, so let's do it.
So I should just mention that we haven't actually tested this yet with a working plane. So this is gonna be a first attempt. We'll see what happens.
Let's go.
Insane.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! It worked! One.
That was so sick.
Oh my god, that was sick.
Time to land.
Yeah, let's go. Now he was gonna try to land. Oh! Oh! Shit.
What the hell?
Oh, the wire saved it. It's hanging
my
on the
God.
ledge. We have to leave it. That's
Jeez,
crazy.
that's
the
so-
prop saved it. It's on the
How did the
prop.
prop
That's
not
crazy.
Alright, so that first landing was a bit weird.
Oh.
We're gonna try to get a better one, so let's launch once again.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so the wind stop. I'm launching right now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. That was the cleanest. That was so clean.
This is so fun.
Oh my god.
It's awesome.
Alright, this is landing number 2. Let's see. He was gonna butter this shit. A little high. Do you want bail? No, bail. Yeah, we can take our time. Like, we have infinite batteries. Let's see this. Oh, yeah? Beautiful.
That was
Nice.
awesome.
That was a beautiful
That was
butter.
awesome. I thought I wouldn't make it, but it did.
Yeah, that was nice.
Alright, so that last takeoff, flight, and landing was absolutely perfect. We're gonna see if we can do it again. This time I'm gonna launch my own plane using my own foot to see how this would work. Alright?
What he means by that is that when we hit 1,000 subs, we will build an actual aircraft carrier that will be on the water. So make sure you subscribe.
Alright? So let's go.
Oh yeah. Yeah, maybe you have to hit it a little like more aggressively. Yeah.
It like stopped there.
Yeah. Yeah, at least we got it off. I mean, look, it failed and it still took off, so that's good. So it's gonna get another butter. Let's see it. A beautiful entry. Oh.
Okay then.
Okay, it did not
We
fall
didn't even
off.
use the landing wire.
Yeah, we didn't need it.
Good.
Yeah. Let's go. Flight number what? 3? 3. Let's go. Oh, let's wait. Let's wait for the wind to calm down a bit. Right when it stops, we'll like throw it in. Okay, now.
Nope.
Oh shit. Wait, did I catch like the wire?
Maybe.
Or
Alright, well, plane's fine.
I wonder what that was. There
Alright.
might be something happening.
Plane is down there, completely okay.
First failure of mechanism. Wow.
So, no clue what happened here.
Yeah. Okay, let's just dry fire it. Actually, no, let's not dry fire it.
Yeah.
Guess we'll just try it again. Let's go. Let's try again. Hopefully this won't fail again. Just make sure all this is loose. I think last time was better when it was like more, cause when I replayed it, like all flew together. Let's try to keep it like that. Okay, let's go. Oh shit.
Oh, prop fell off.
After viewing the footage, we noticed that the plane would leave the mount too early. So we had to go back and improve the skids that held the wheels so it would hold better in place. So the failures we had with the launch mechanism were where the plane, like, while it's like halfway in the launch part, it'll take off too early, and then it'll cause problems where it didn't have enough speed, and like this part would hit it because it would be going faster than the plane. So what we're gonna do is expand the skids a little over the wheels so the plane really launches right at the end of the launch. So we get a clean launch off and it doesn't hit anything extra. So now we added these extra skids over the wheels just so like there's a little more resistance going upwards, so it just flies forward at the end.
Alright, do you want to try to dry fire it? See what happens?
I guess, sure, let's do it. My dogs.
Alright.
Yeah, throw it on.
I gotta put it on a bit differently.
Is it in?
Alright.
Let's see.
I think it's steady. Alright.
I think when you like, should we upgrade this if we're leaving already?
Honestly, yeah, we should.
We'll
so
upgrade
it's like
that.
higher.
I mean, you still want to launch it now? Like,
Yeah, we'll give it a lunch. We'll give it a lunch.
beautiful.
Oh
Stay
my
straight.
god,
You see how it
that
stays
was
straight?
perfect.
Beautiful. Okay, so the system is starting to be a little more reliable. I'm getting more confidence with it, and we can definitely improve it. So the main reason why we're even making this is because we want to make a sick aircraft carrier out of cardboard with the launch mechanism and a landing mechanism. Make sure you guys subscribe. If we hit 1,000 subs by the end of like what, a month? 2 months?
Yeah, I think 2 months.
2 months? 2 months? We can maybe make it a month. We'll make a sick aircraft carrier video where we will both be inside a cardboard aircraft carrier with a launch and landing mechanism. So make sure you subscribe. Beautiful. Oh, that was a clean one. It's getting cleaner and cleaner. That's a hat trick now of clean takeoffs. We're chilling.
Alright, the wind is absolutely insane.
Oh my.
I'm gonna try and butter it again.
Oh yeah? Well, that's a good entry.
Oh god. So hard.
Oh, right on the edge. No.
Oh my god.
So close. That was about to be a right beside my plane.
The other plane.
Yeah, that felt like a half hour ago. We're too lazy to get it.
Alright, so David is going to fly now. Let's give it a launch.
I have the joysticks from the last video because I still have my hands, so I'm still gonna use this.
Alright, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
A few moments later.
Alright, we lost control of the plane.
Where's it going? No.
Do you have control?
No. It just fully lost. It's not turning.
What the fuck is it? I have no fucking clue.
I tried to dive onto the ground, but I want to go fucking down. Anybody saw it?
We can look at the footage.
Yeah, but you saw it, zero control, right?
Yeah.
Like, fuck me.
I guess it would be somewhere in these trees, but like, I feel like it would be further.
This way or that way?
It went like fucking
It went
to
like
hell,
this
bro.
backyard, you know?